In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of converting minutes into hours and minutes. Many people struggle with this conversion and are often confused about the correct formula to use. So let's begin without further delay. To provide an example, we will use two modules. Here first we will take a set variable module, and again we will again take a set variable module. Then in first module, we will give name here minutes, and here in variable value we will set the value which we have to convert into hours and minutes. Here, for example, I am giving 160. Then we will go to the second module. Here, I will write any variable name hours and minutes, in which we have to get the output. Here in variable value, we will utilize the correct formula to find minutes into hours and minutes. Here, we will use floor function to ensure that our output will be in integer form, even the result will be in decimal form. Here, I am using floor function. Here, we will select the number which we have to change into hours and minutes. Then after, I will divide the number from 60. Here there is a divide sign. Then I will divide the number from 60 because there are 60 minutes in an hour. Then after, we will use a semicolon. Then again we will use a floor function for minute part. Then here I will use the number which we have to change in minute. Then after, we will use a mod function. Mod, because with mod we can find remainder of the number, and the remainder will be the minute. Here this is mod. Then after mod, we will divide mod with 60. Here our formula has been completed. Let's run this scenario. After running the scenario, we will get output. Here we will check the output. Let's see, our scenario has been run successfully and the output is 2 hour 40 minute. We have given 160 minute, then we got our answer 2 hour 40 minute. You can change any value to 160. Here I am changing it to 480. Here once again, let run the scenario. Here let's see what is the output. Here the output is 8 hours. Now our problem has been solved and our scenario has been run successfully. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this and keep automating your task.